Scoot this over. What is up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I've posted any videos about any type of baby stuff or anything like that, so I thought I'd come on here today and unbox this new high chair that I got off Amazon. Okay, so before I unbox this, let me show you guys what it does. So it's supposedly supposed to be an infant, I can't even talk, an infant floor seat, a high chair, an infant booster, a toddler booster, a youth stool, big kid table and chair, and then seats 2 kids at once. So I figured, I'm like, if I'm gonna buy a high chair, this thing is about to grow with him. I don't want to just be using it for a few months and then can't get any more use out of it. So I thought that would be fun to unbox with you guys and try to put this thing together, because I think it should be pretty easy. I'm not sure if I need any tools or anything like that, but let's go ahead and get right into it. If you are interested in this specific high chair, I will link it down below in the description box and you can check it out. It's from Amazon. So let's okay, so I chose to get the gray one. They had one that was like a teal color and gray, but I thought this color would be easier to keep clean, so I got the gray. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's read the directions. Let's see, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all down here with me. Let me bring y'all down a little lower. See if Princess Netra can figure this out. Floor seat. Up to 12 months, 30 pounds. Infant booster, up to 3 years, 40 pounds. High chair, up to 3 years, 40 pounds. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I will let you guys know how I like it. So this is kind of like a review as well. Left and right. Does this have a left and right on it? I don't know. Hold on, these go the other direction. So these go in like this. There we go. Going upside down. Okay, so here's just an overview of the parts that you will have. These 4 pieces are going to be just like this. They're going to be separated. One side's going to say right and one side's going to say left. So when you get your pieces, these 2 plastic parts are going to be, you want them to be facing each other. So you're just going to stick them down in there, stick it in there. And then these 2 parts are the same. you could just stick these down in and stick that one down in, and they'll all just clip in. For the wheels will be next, and they have the left and the right wheel. So all you have to do is clip it in. This doesn't have left or right, so it can go on either side. Clip it in. Easy as that. What you doing? What you doing, big boy? He's so cute. Look at them teeth. Cheese, say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese. You ready to go play? You so big. It's a winner. It's a winner. You guys, I don't know how to do this. I don't know why I thought I knew how to do this, but I don't want it upside down.
The same diameter, ain't no photograph how that
This is going back.
We live? I think.
This is why girls don't do stuff like this. I got it now. Oh, Papa Boo. Thank you.